Move on to Lampung, still in Indonesia. A village in southern Lampung is now enjoying an economic boom thanks to the Environment Ministry's Social Forestry Program.
For decades, villagers of Kalam in South Lampung Regency have been involved in the conservation of the tract of forest in Mount Rajabasa. But it was only in 2017 that they could begin benefiting from their efforts. That year, the Indonesian Environment and Forestry Ministry issued a permit allowing them to manage the 124-hectare forest as part of its social forestry program. Apart from allowing villagers to manage and benefit from the forest through a social forestry cooperative, the ministry also provided them with guidance. An additional benefit enjoyed by the village is the preservation of nearby waterfall, and apart from functioning as a constant water source, it has a potential for tourism.
Menjaga kelestarian hutan ini yang lebih penting sebetulnya. Dari segala apa yang kita, hutan ini gimana caranya supaya lestari ini. Mengedukasi, pelatihan-pelatihan, itu kan perlu juga. Jangan istilahnya generasi sekarang ini, bukanlah generasi saya ini aja yang diedukasi. Untuk kedepannya mungkin pengenalan tentang hutan dan kemanfaatan hutan itu sendiri itu harus diberitahu. Karena kalau sudah sifat manusia itu merusak, nah itu yang berbahaya sebetulnya.
The Forest Co-op has paved the way for various small enterprises in various sectors. These include tourism, coffee production and processing, bee farming, and sugar making. Thanks to the village administration's efforts to preserve the forest through regulation and guide the villagers in entrepreneurship, Kalam placed first in village forest management at the Ministry's Wana Lestari Awards this year.
Tidak diperkenankan untuk penebangan, pemocelan, ataupun perusakan hutan lah intinya. Salah satunya itulah. Nah, dari peraturan tersebut masyarakat taat dengan aturan yang ada dan dengan sendirinya mereka mempunyai kesadaran. Nah, itulah ada, sanksinya pun ada. Artinya apa? Di perdes tersebut diatur dalam hal kerusakan hutan ada sanksinya. Dan apabila sanksi ini tidak diindahkan maka kita proses sesuai peraturan atau perundang-undangan yang berlaku.
And the villagers do not stop there. They are committing to conserving the forests for the sake of the future generations. Today contributor reporting from Lampung.